When we talk about international trade, most people think about ships and containers. But do you know that high value and urgent cargo worth billions of dollars moves every day through airline? Products like pharmaceuticals, electronics, luxury goods, perishables, and e-commerce shipments depend heavily on air cargo. Hello friends, I am Sachin Kredmal and you are watching India's most practical export import and international logistics platform. In the today's video, we will understand the practical role of airline in the export-import industry and how they connect supply chain. Introduction to air cargo in global trade. Air transport is the fastest mode of transportation in international logistics. Even though air cargo represents a small percentage of total cargo volume, it carries more than one-third of global trade value. Major international airlines operate dedicated cargo aircraft and belly cargo space in passenger flights. Some well-known cargo airlines include Emirates Sky Cargo, Qatar Airways Cargo, Lufthansa Cargo, FedEx Express. These airlines connect manufacturers, exporters, and global markets. Role 1: Fast international transportation. The most important role of airlines in export import is speed. For example, if cargo moves by sea from India to Europe, it may take 25 to 35 days. But the same cargo by air can reach within 25 to 48 hours. Because of this speed, air cargo is widely used for emergency shipments, just in time, manufacturing, spare parts delivery, e-commerce delivery. This makes airlines a critical part of modern supply chain. Role 2: Transportation of high value goods. Airlines are preferred for high value and sensitive cargo. For example, mobile phones, semiconductor chips, pharmaceutical medicines, medical equipments, and luxury products. These goods require high security, minimal transit time, controlled handling. Air cargo ensures safe and quick delivery of valuable products. Rule 3: Perishable cargo transportation. Airlines also play a major role in transporting perishable goods. Example includes are fresh fruits, vegetables, flowers, seafoods, and vaccines. These products have very short shelf life, so quickly deliver is essential. Special facilities like temperature controlled containers and cold chain logistics are used. This allows exporters to supply fresh products to the international market. Role for global connectivity. Airlines connect major international trade hubs. For example, cargo can move like this: Mumbai, Dubai, Frankfurt, New York. Through hub and spoke networks, airlines can reach almost any destinations in the world. The connectivity enables exporters to access new international markets quickly. Role 5: Airway Bill documentation. In the cargo transportation, the key transport document is called Airway Bill, also known as AWB. Airway Bill is issued by the airline or freight forwarder and it acts as contract of carriage, cargo receipt, shipment tracking document. Unlike sea freight bill of lading, an airway bill is not a negotiable document, but it is extremely important for customs clearance and cargo tracking. Rule 6: Supporting e-commerce growth. In the today's fastest growing segment in the air cargo is cross-border e-commerce. Companies like Amazon, Alibaba Group, and Flipkart depends heavily on cargo networks. Consumers expect fast international deliveries and airlines make that possible. Rule 7: Handling special cargoes. Airline also handle specialized cargo and categories such as dangerous goods, live animals, pharmaceuticals, humanitarian relief supplies. These shipments require strict international safety regulations and specialized cargo handling. Organizations like International Air Transport Association define global standards for air cargo transportation. Now we will see challenges in air cargo. Air cargo is very fast, but it has some limitations. Higher transportation cost, limited cargo capacity, weather disruptions, strict safety regulations. Because of this, air cargo is usually used for high value or time sensitive shipments. So friends, Airlines play a very important role in the export-import industry. They enable fast global transportation, safe delivery of high-value goods, perishable cargo movement, e-commerce logistics, global trade connectivity. In the fast-moving global economy, air cargo has become a backbone of modern supply chain. If you want to learn export import, international logistics and supply chain management with practical knowledge, make sure to subscribe the channel, and in the next video we will discuss how air cargo pricing works and how freight rates are calculated. This is Sachin Kharatmal signing off. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.